day, everyone. Welcome to Best Recipes with Sharon. Here we are on a beautiful Easter Sunday morning. The sun is shining and I'm about to make this delicious pistachio marshmallow salad. And I would like to share the recipe with you. And it's something that you can easily add to your Easter meal. No matter what you're having, it's a great side dish. So stay with me. This is going to be one of the fastest videos I've made, because making this salad is super easy. Open one 396 ml can of crushed pineapple. Then open a 1 liter tub of frozen Cool Whip and let it start to thaw. Next, get ready one 99-gram package of pistachio pudding mix. And you'll need 250-gram package of miniature marshmallows. Start with a large mixing bowl and a spoon. And pour your marshmallows into the bowl. I like to use the colored ones for this because it's really pretty, but the stores were sold out of it. It must be Easter weekend. So miniature white marshmallows work well too. And take your crushed pineapple, juice and all, and pour that in on top of the marshmallows. And add your pistachio pudding mix. This will help with the texture, the flavor, and the color. Use your large spoon and mix this all together thoroughly. And you can see as you mix it that a little bit of the green color from the pistachio pudding mix is starting to take hold here. By now your Cool Whip will have softened up a little bit so that you can actually spoon it in and mix it in nice and easily. And you continue to mix it until it's really well combined, making sure that everything has mixed thoroughly. You'll have to scoop up from the bottom to make sure that the pistachio pudding mix has actually mixed through. And the pineapple has thoroughly been mixed as well, and that there's no lumps from the Cool Whip. And then you spoon it into the bowl that you'd like to serve it in. And you place it in the fridge for at least an hour to set. It's better if it sets for a few hours if you have the time. And it will last in the fridge for 2 or 3 days. And of course you can make this any time of the year. So I'd just like to say Happy Easter to everyone, and God bless you.